What's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you guys here how to send crypto over to Vauld so you can earn crypto interest KYC free. If you guys still haven't joined Vauld, you guys can use my referral code in the pinned comment in the description below. And if you still want to learn more about Vauld, you kind of don't know about it yet, you can check out my complete review of Vauld right up here in the cards. I basically tell you everything about Vauld, APYs on Bitcoin and all that stuff. You guys can watch that video right up there in the cards. And as you guys can tell, if you're watching my videos regularly, I changed my background, as you guys can see right here. My lovely wife got me a beautiful new monitor, curved display monitor for my birthday, so thank you, I love you. And with the new monitor, you know, I had to change the background. Can't just leave it the same, right? So I changed it to this tropical setting, which kind of fits my channel as well. So now it's going to be a lot easier for me to edit my videos and record for you guys. So getting on here with the video, I'm right here in the app Vauld. You guys can join with my referral code in the description below. But you guys want to send over crypto to Vauld, right? So what you want to do is go to wallet, and right here you want to pick the crypto that you want to send over. And as you guys can see, there's a difference here. There are cryptos that say trade only tokens, and then there are cryptos that have these two icons. Now the crypto that says trade only, those cryptos you can't send over or withdraw those cryptos from Vauld or deposit that crypto as of right now. So you got to pick one of the ones here that lets you send over. So for example, I want to send over XLM, right? So right here, what you want to click is the plus, and then after you click on the plus, I don't want to show you, but it's gonna give you your address. And for XLM and I think XRP too, it gives you a memo. Make sure you copy both of those and paste both of those in the app that you're sending XLM or XRP from. Now, if it's just, for example, USDC or Link or some other ones, they're just going to have one address. So let me do it right here. So I just copied the address. I'm right here in the app that I'm sending the XLM from, which is Coinbase. And I'm just going to click right here to send. Then right here, this is where I'm going to enter my address for where I'm sending my XLM to, which is Vauld on Coinbase. But it's probably going to be something similar if it's another app. So I just sent it. Now again, make sure you put the address and the memo if it has a memo like XLM or XRP. If it just has an address, just put the address. Now I got to put in my two-step verification, which I recommend you guys to have, but have the Google one, not the SMS one. The Google one is much safer. So boom, as you guys can see, I just sent it $47 worth of XLM, and we're going to see once this gets here to Vauld. XLM is super fast, similar to XRP, so it should be there in seconds, right? It also depends on Coinbase. We're going to click on done. Now we're back here on Vauld, and we're just waiting for my XLM funds to get here to Vauld. And let's see how long it takes. And I'll tell you guys exactly how long it takes. Again, it differs based on wherever you're sending from, Coinbase, Voyager, and it's right there. It took literally less than 40 seconds, okay? So it took less than 40 seconds for my XLM on Coinbase. And the beautiful thing about Vauld is once you send crypto, it starts earning that interest, right? And there's two types of interest that you can earn on Vauld. Obviously, I covered this in my complete Vauld review. So right off the bat, I sent it, and it starts earning that basic APY, for which for XLM is just 1%. And if you click on wallet, you can click right here, you click on interest earned. It tells you the next payout date, which on Vauld is weekly. And it tells you your interest paid out till of this date, which is great because it tells you in detail. And this is the other type of interest that Vauld offers, which is you have to lock it for 30 days. So if you're comfortable locking for 30 days, you'll get a higher APY interest. So like I said, the basic one for XLM was 1%. Well, right here, if I lock it for 30 days, I'll get an interest of 3.004 APY, right? Which is a lot more than 1%. So you can click right here, either auto renew every 30 days, or you can just do 30 days and then you can do a manual auto renew if you want to do that. So that's up to you. Personally, I like Vauld. Coinbase Ventures is an investor of Vauld. So before you want to do that 30-day lockup period, maybe you want to do some research and see if you can gain more trust. But yeah, guys, that's basically how you send crypto over to Vauld. It's very easy to do, and you can start earning crypto easily with no KYC. Again, you guys can sign up using my referral code, and all you need is an email and password, literally, right? So definitely check out Vauld. Use my code in the pinned comment, and thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.